Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a successful affiliate blog in 2022. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on how to create a successful affiliate blog in 2022. If you are excited and ready to learn more about how to create a successful affiliate blog in 2022, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. One of the best ways to make money online from home is to start a blog. But it's not as easy as many people think it is, and it's not a way to get rich quickly. Now, here are the steps you need to take if you want to make a successful affiliate blog and earn money online every month without doing much work. 1. Pick an interesting niche for your blog. 2. Choose the right blogging platforms. I think you should use WordPress. 3. Join an affiliate program that pays well. Here, I also think you should use the Amazon Associate program if you are just starting out. 4. Create good and high quality blog posts with on-page and off-page SEO. So that's a quick look at how to make an affiliate blog that is profitable. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't also forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning how to create successful affiliate blog in 2022. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure to watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.